new CO they sent over from HQ is a real featherweight.
He's probably some desk jockey. Never been up in a brain in his life.
All right, you pitiful submitted sad sacks, eyes front and listen up. I'm your commanding officer, General Knowledge, and it's my job to turn you mealy-mouthed meatheads into a crack squadron of Cranium Commandos. Your job, if you can cut it, will be to run the most sophisticated information system ever devised, the human brain. You, there in the back, suck in that gun and wipe that smile off your face. The brain is serious business. Now listen up, you miserable toads. This is your brain. You will eat with it, sleep with it. You will never leave it. Without you, the brain is nothing. Without your brain, you are nothing. It took 3 billion years of research and development to make this lean, mean thinking machine what it is today. In those years, we've had some successes and some failures. And if you meatballs can't fly right, you'll wind up piloting one of these. Do I make myself clear? Yes, sir. I can't hear you. Yes, sir. It's better. Our brain is divided into 2 halves, the right and the left.
Pardon me, excuse me, sorry.
You!
Me, sir?
No, your mama. Yes, you. Get up here on the double. Move it, move it, move it. What's your name, recruit?
Buzzy, sir.
You think you're ready to pilot a brain, Fuzzy?
That's Buzzy, sir. Oh, yes, you just let me in
Why,
my control
do
panel.
you know that the brain can process up to 3 million bytes of information per second?
Why, you, sir?
I don't think you've got the spoiled lot of dim bulb freaky. I don't think you understand the amount of concentration and commitment it takes to run this lovely unit. Just look at you. You're a disgrace. Does your mother still dress you, boy?
Well, yes, sir.
Don't talk when I'm shouting. Drop and give me 20.
Sir, yes, sir.
Where was I? Oh, yes. The brain is divided into 2 halves. Your left brain handles the linear thinking, analysis, logic. The right brain is the creative center, home of the emotions and imagination. From the command seat here in the cortex, you'll run the whole shebang. Any questions? No? Good. All right, you chickens, this is it. Let's scramble on the double. Move it, move it. What now, Scuzzy? Taking a nap? Get your fanny in gear and hustle.
Sir, yes, sir.
Little men, hungry side of cranium. We're the ones that make you go. Cranium Commando.
Little women and little men.
Think you lead-foot, if you moved any slower, you'd be going backwards. Putting you in a chicken is cruelty to animals. I'm gonna stick you in a squish, a lumpy, a talk show host. Now get in line. Move it, move it, move it. What? Here's your assignment, so listen up. Cito.
Sir.
You do a rocket scientist. Ha! Cito, if your brains were dynamite, you couldn't blow your nose. Take off.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Trouse girl, can you walk and chew gum at the same time? Never tried, sir. I'd like to know how HQ picked you for this job, Trousdale, with a dartboard. That's your NFL All-Pro running back over there. Now get out of my sight. Sir, thank you, sir.
General Knowledge, sir? You didn't give me an assignment yet, sir.
Oh, no, this has got to be a sick joke. So, Goldbeck, you want to pilot a brain, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Hey! Well, some genius at HQ has picked you to pilot the most unstable craft in the fleet.
You don't mean...
You guess it, Stinky. An adolescent boy. This particular model is 12 years old. Very unpredictable.
Don't worry, sir. I can Don't worry, sir. I can handle it.
You couldn't find your head with both hands and a flashlight. Sweet yonder, where do they get these knuckleheads? And why do they always wind up in my outfit?
Roger, 12-year-old, all clear for takeoff on Delta 19 Tango, all clear, over.
Hey, you gold bricks, this ain't a spectator sport. Where do you think you are, Disney World? Get your strollers in line and hustle on the double. Move it, move it, move it. All right, recruits, pick a row, move about halfway in, and park it. Let's go. Move along. Are you waiting for your mamas to seat you? Walk swiftly. Do not run. Move it. Now listen up. This training exercise will require your utmost attention and concentration. Therefore, distractions must be kept to a minimum. Understood? There will be no flash photography or videotaping. And no smoking in here. Got it? And absolutely no drinking or eating either. That is all, recruits. At ease!
Gee, it sure is dark in here. There's gotta be a light around here somewhere. Ah, this ought to do it. Whoa!
All right, Pinhead, listen up. Your job is to pilot this craft through a typical day's maneuvers without overstressing it. Remember, use your head, don't lose your head. I've got my eye on you, Fuzzy. Screw up this mission and you'll be piloting a chicken till your retirement day. Got that?
Yes, sir. Guess I better get this show on the road. Okay, crew, report in. Left brain, right brain. Come in, please.
Yes, Captain. Did you call?
No. I guess I just pressed the wrong button.
It figures. No one ever wants to talk to me.
Who are you anyway?
I'm only the hypothalamus. I only monitor all the automatic functions of the body. All the things you don't need to worry about. I'm used to being taken for granted. Blink, blink, breathe, breathe. Day in, day out. Never a thank you, never a job well done.
Gee, I'm sorry. I had no idea. Hey, wait a minute. What are all these things?
Dreams, sir. You're in the sleep mode. You should have had this in class.
This looks pretty simple. Whoa, what's going on? What's happening? Whoa, oh, the alarm clock. It's 5 o'clock. Arms, hands, hit it! Well, I guess we're awake now, huh? Good morning, guys.
Morning, Captain. Left brain reporting for duty, sir. Logic circuits working at full capacity. Let's have a safe and sane day, shall we?
Roger, left brain.
Right brain here, Buzz. Free association and creativity banks fully charged.
Roger, dude.
Hard reporting, Captain. Left ventricle.
Right ventricle.
We are up and pumping.
Adrenal glands reporting, Captain. Ready to freak out at any second.
Not now, please.
Stomach reporting, Captain. Running on empty down here. Suppose we could toss down some of those cold pizza crusts from last night. Keep us, a little...
Aren't you up yet? The bus will be here any second.
Okay, Mom, I'm up. Okay, guys, we're running a little late. Legs, swing over 45 degrees and extend peds. Head for the door, walk factor 10.
Going to school stark naked, are we? Please.
Whoa, quick, let's find some clothes. There's gotta be something in here. Oh, good pants. Shirt's still okay. It's only been worn a couple days. Shoes. All right, we're out of here.
Aren't we forgetting some functions?
Illumination. Give me a reading.
Bladder reading at 9.9, sir.
We can hold it. Full speed ahead.
No.
I can see you're going to put us all under a bit of a strain today.
Captain, I know we're in a hurry, but this puppy's starting to growl down here, you know what I mean?
I hear you, stomach. Looks like we got breakfast dead ahead. Let's chow down.
Buzz, let's go for the dessert.
Hey, Smarty Pants. The bus is here.
Could have swore I heard something about breakfast.
Run!
Whoa, Bobby, what you watching?
Hey, kid, get off my...
It's getting away. Quick, take a shortcut.
Planning an alternate route to school, sir. Memory indicates the presence of a small rabbit poodle.
Whoa, watch out, back up.
Mike, take it! Stop on it! Stop on it!
Quick, cut through here.
Hot reporting, Captain. We are pumping.
Yeah, but we are running low on energy.
What are you going to do about it?
Stomach, we need fuel. Do you read?
No can do, Captain. Remember that breakfast we didn't have?
Blood sugar is falling.
You have exactly 2 seconds to get to class.
Cut to the right. Turn. Oh,
Okay, my little monsters. Let's create.
Excuse me. Looks like we're gonna be lab partners.
Yes! Hot reporting, Captain. We have just skipped a beat.
Yeah, what is going on up there?
she's beautiful.
I'm new here. My name's Annie. What's yours?
Say something. Beautiful. I mean, Bobby.
Flush factor 6.5, Captain.
Okay, Bobby. I'll measure you mix.
Careful, careful. Some of these compounds are not entirely stable.
I feel like an unstable compound whenever we look at her. This must be chemistry.
Concentrate. This could be dangerous.
Just imagine.
Make my wish come true.
Bobby, watch out! Whoa! Shit!
You put us in an explosive situation.
I've never had to work this hard in my life. Yeah, what a loser captain we have.
Yeah, you're a pathetic girly man.
You're a girly man, loser, and pathetic.
Say there, Captain, I'd be willing to call it even if we could just toss a little bit of food in the old dumpster. What do you say?
Okay, Stomach, this time we'll eat. I promise. Wow, look, there she is.
Oh, hi.
Hey, look, Chad, it's the new girl. That she needs some company, huh, Rico?
Come on, you guys.
We gotta help her.
We'll rescue her. We'll swing it on a vine, take her to a desert island.
Nonsense. We'll simply explain to these ruffians the lasting negative ramifications of their delinquent behavioral tendencies.
Okay, you take the helm, Left Brain.
All right, Bobby, address them.
Come now, gentlemen. I'm sure I needn't point out the negative impact of both social and academic dimensions of your Neanderthal tactics. I should point out that this will reflect very poorly in your citizenship record, and you'll undoubtedly lose standing at the college of your choice.
Captain, you've got to give me a chance for revenge.
Okay, Right Brain, go!
We're having speed! Moon fight!
I suppose you'll be wanting reflex dodge maneuvers, sensors on hypervigilance, and endorphin pain suppressors on maximum.
Hey, Buzz! As long as you're tossing all that food around, why don't you toss some down here, eh?
All right, Stomach, here you go. A burger with everything on it.
Hallelujah! God up from heaven!
Watch it! Milk carton's launching 4D!
It's whole milk too! These guys are serious!
Who took a bite out of there?
Incoming lasagna at 5 o'clock! Die! Going down!
What the devil is going on, Flunky? Your job is to protect this body from unnecessary stress, not send it into a coma.
Well, the Left Brain wanted, but then the adrenal gland said, and
You can't just listen to every fool thing that comes into your head. That's why there's chaos in this body. Make decisions. Get this crew working together. You're just begging to pilot this chicken, aren't you, boy?
Yes, sir. I mean, no, sir.
I'm warning you, Skunky.
Jeez, I've got to get my act together here. Okay, I'll do better. I'll use my head. He'll be proud of me. All right. Hands, wipe the eyes, please.
Well, young man, perhaps a trip to the principal's office will straighten you out.
Lose audio, I get the idea.
We're gonna get the soap mines, I tell ya! The pen, the big house, maybe even prison!
6 weeks detention.
Out! 6 weeks? Oh no! It'll be eternity.
How about a last meal? It's kind of traditional.
Right. And what's your side of it?
Stall for time. Shuffle feet. Ring hands.
We'll probably be put on suspension for this. We can kiss Harvard goodbye. No job, no upwardly mobile lifestyle. I hope you're proud of yourself, young man. You obviously have no need for logic whatsoever. Thank you so much, and good night.
Lungs reporting, sir! We're hyperventilating! Batten down the bronchial tube!
I recommend a brown paper bag.
CO2 is dropping fast.
Oh, I'm feeling really lightheaded, man.
Listen to us now and believe us later. If we were 30 years older, we'd be attacking you right now.
Yeah, if we live that long.
Sorry, Captain. We can't take much more of this. I'm gonna have to send some back up.
No, don't! Seal all exits! Seal all exits!
What in blazes are you up to now?
I might as well say goodbye now, sir. They're gonna burn us at the stake and send our ashes to Siberia.
Nonsense, Pinky. You're just worrying yourself sick. Real stress or imagined stress, it doesn't matter beans to your body crew. They can't tell the difference. Only you can. Take charge, lunkhead. Be calm, cool, collected, serene, balanced, centered, and relaxed, like me.
Now hear me! Look, guys, this isn't the end of the world, okay? Now let's cooperate for once. Left Brain,
Yes, sir?
give me the bottom line.
Illogical.
Right Brain,
Do what you really feel.
I've got a solution that covers both. We're going to tell the truth. I'm sorry, Mr. Hardcase. When I saw those guys bugging Annie, I guess I just lost my head.
I think we can be a little lenient here.
Why don't you just help the janitor clean up the cafeteria after school?
Really? Boy, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Right. Get out of here.
Well done, Buzzy. Wonderfully logical.
You felt the moment. It was beautiful.
Yeah, we're starting to get the hang of it now. Well, with a little teamwork, we'll become invincible.
Warning, warning, we've been tapped on the shoulder. Warning, warning.
It's the goons!
Adrenaline, would you chill out? You're getting everybody all worked up. Just keep cool, guys, and stand by for instructions. Come full about.
Hi, Bobby. Look, I just wanted to thank you for helping me out with those guys who were hassling me.
No sweat. No sweat.
They were, like, pretty neat.
He likes us.
Captain, we are having a sudden burst of energy.
Yeah, we are feeling young and hot.
Hey, who ordered the butterflies?
Man, she's cute. Just look at the way her eyes glisten in that fluorescent tube lighting.
Well, let's not start daydreaming again. Let's do something constructive.
Tell you what, we'll ask her out.
Bold move, sir.
Maybe we could go out sometime after school, like maybe to the mall or something.
Okay, that'd be great. Thanks again, Bobby.
Outstanding, recruit! Look after your body crew and they'll serve you well. Congratulations! You are now a full-fledged member of the Cranium Command. I'm proud of you, boy!
Thanks, General. I never could have done it without everyone's help. This is one first-rate crew.
No need to thank me, sir. I don't do it for the glory. It's just my function.
Well, chicken, what are we going to do about a pilot for you?
I won't need one. I'm going into politics.
In politics. So long, Buzzy. Keep up the good work.
Let's hear it for Captain Buzzy! Hip hip hooray!
So remember, gang, if you get stressed out, just call in your general knowledge, balance your body crew, and get your cranium under command. Use your head, don't lose your head. It's easy. You'll be flying in no time. As a member of the Cranium Command. Bye!
On behalf of the Cranium Commandos, Metropolitan Life, and the Walt Disney Company, thank you for volunteering for Cranium Command. Please gather your belongings and exit the command center through the doors on your left. Madam, you forgot your child. Oh, that's your husband? I'm very sorry. I mean that. Have a wonderful day.